In this video, we're going to show how a user with administrative access can add a new user to their account or deactivate an existing user from their account and limit access, no longer give them access to parts of the web store. So upon logging in to your account, you'll be presented with this dashboard. Simply go over and hover over the My Account primary navigation. Choose the My Account sub-navigation option. You'll be provided with a list of different options within your account. Choose My Users. And for the purpose of this demonstration, there are a myriad of different users, but you can simply select Add New User. You would assign them the specific contact information, name information, what have you. If they're going to be subscribed to any Staub-related outgoing emails, you would choose an address you may have on file for them. And from here you can choose to restrict or give full access depending on the type of user you want to create. And if you want them to have access to the web store, you would select e-commerce user. And then from here, you can select their permission type. You may or may not, depending on your access, have access to all of these options. But different types restrict different options, but you would select which applicable user role from this drop-down, and then you would save the user. If you would rather deactivate an existing user, in such a case that you have a promotion, demotion, somebody's been let go from the company, you want to eliminate or restrict access to a specific area of your account, you can do so by logging in, selecting My Users, and rather than adding a new user, like in the previous portion of this video, you would scroll down to a list of your users and select the user in question. We'll use Karen for this demonstration. Scroll down to the existing status of that user, select inactive, and save.